Hola chicos, saludos a todos. Este 4 de julio. It's the 4th of July, and I find myself, once again, outside the U.S., here in Oaxaca, Mexico. But this time it's different. 10 months ago, I returned to the States to start over. My daughter came to live with me, and I took a job as a gallery and art collection manager in Dallas. Sentí la tensión inmediatamente, hermano contra hermano. I immediately felt the tension, the divisiveness portrayed online and amplified in social media. At the same time, in real life, I experienced welcome and community. This brother against brother mentality is a painful thing to see, and one which goes against the ideals of this republic. In Mexico, hay el concepto de la patria, the homeland. It is a unifying theme, a way of bridging differences to see the greater common good. I believe that's what we need right now in the U.S. Otherwise, division will ultimately be our ruin. It's not difficult to see the winds of change. On the one side, coming from a lust for authoritarianism, and on the other, a foot-dragging entrenchment in the status quo, which will only create more unrest. Espero encontrarnos un nuevo tipo de líder. I hope we find a new kind of leader, one who understands all points of view and can bring reconciliation under a common ideal. Until then, I pray for this land to find the maturity to understand that with freedom comes responsibility, to share the blessings of prosperity with the world, and to embrace all those who represent difference, whether it be as immigrant or native child. Feliz Dia de Independencia. Happy 4th of July. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber bloody gains, for purple confused tragedies upon thy brutal plains. America, America, God hide thy face from thee, and drown thy good in my brother's hood, from sea to shining sea.